Wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a flow of abundance in your life. When we approach finances with the right mindset and intentional actions, we naturally attract opportunities for growth. Today, we'll walk through 5 clear steps to bring financial freedom closer to reality. Take a moment to center yourself, and let's dive into these steps that can transform how you attract wealth. Step 1. Align your mindset with abundance. The first step in attracting wealth is to cultivate a mindset that welcomes abundance. Each morning, affirm to yourself, "I am open to receiving wealth in all forms." This simple shift in thinking trains your mind to focus on what's possible rather than on limitations. Visualization can also support this shift. Take a few minutes each day to picture your ideal financial situation. Imagine the stability, security, and freedom it brings. This mental alignment is a powerful way to shift from a scarcity mindset to one of true abundance, inviting opportunities that resonate with your goals. The more you practice, the more you'll notice doors opening, conversations leading to new insights, and a sense of confidence guiding your financial decisions. Step 2. Cultivate gratitude for what you have. Gratitude is an essential practice when it comes to attracting wealth. It changes your relationship with money from one of lack to one of appreciation. Start each day by, acknowledging 3 things you're grateful for in your financial life, no matter how small. It could be the skills you possess, steady income, or even the lessons you've learned about handling money. When you focus on gratitude, you're not only recognizing what you have, but also creating space for more to flow in. This practice deepens your appreciation and helps you realize that wealth isn't only measured by what's in your bank account. It's also found in your abilities and your potential. By staying grounded in gratitude, you signal to yourself and to life that you are ready for more abundance. Step 3, set clear financial goals. Setting specific, achievable financial goals gives you a roadmap to follow. Rather than just thinking, "I want to be rich," outline clear, realistic goals that resonate with your life's vision. Break it down into short-term and long-term objectives, whether it's saving a certain amount each month, paying off debt, or building an investment portfolio. Write these goals down and revisit them regularly. This step clarifies your path and gives purpose to each financial decision, turning your actions into stepping stones toward financial freedom. Clear goals make it easier to track your progress and adapt as you grow. When your goals are in focus, you'll naturally attract the discipline, resources, and insights needed to reach them. It's like setting a compass that keeps your mind and actions aligned with your wealth-building journey. Step 4, surround yourself with positive financial influences. The people you spend time with have a significant impact on your mindset. Surround yourself with individuals who share a healthy, positive attitude toward finances. Engage with friends, mentors, or colleagues who can offer constructive advice, inspire you, and motivate you to stay focused on your financial journey. This doesn't mean abandoning old friends. It's about being mindful of who influences your thinking. When you're around people who believe in abundance and wealth building, you're more likely to stay committed to your goals. Their energy and perspective will help reinforce your own positive beliefs about money. By surrounding yourself with those who have a healthy approach to finances, you're continuously reminded of the possibilities, giving you the confidence and knowledge to stay on track. Step 5. Take consistent, small actions toward wealth. Attracting wealth isn't a one-time effort. It's a commitment to daily, intentional actions. Start small, whether it's setting aside a small amount each day, researching investments, or creating a spending plan. These actions add up over time and build the foundation for lasting wealth. Consistency is more impactful than grand gestures. Each action, no matter how small, reinforces your commitment to financial freedom. Over time, this builds momentum, helping you stay focused and resilient in the face of challenges. Remember, financial freedom is a journey that rewards steady, patient steps. These daily actions might seem simple, but they lay the groundwork for a future of abundance and stability. Managing your finances wisely is a crucial aspect of attracting and retaining wealth. This doesn't mean you have to be perfect with every penny, but it does require a proactive approach to budgeting and monitoring your spending. Start by tracking where your money goes each month. Are there areas where you can cut back, or places where you can reallocate funds to support your financial goals? The goal is to be aware of your finances, to ensure that your money is working for you, not just spent impulsively. Create a budget that allows for both saving and spending, allocating money for investments, savings, and fun. When you manage your money wisely, you begin to notice it multiplying and serving your greater goals. It's essential to balance discipline with flexibility. As your financial situation grows, continue to reassess and adjust your budget to match your evolving wealth-building goals. Educating yourself about money management and investment opportunities is a key part of attracting wealth. The more you know, the more empowered you'll be in making decisions that support your financial goals. Knowledge is the fuel that allows you to make informed decisions about your money. We'd start with basic concepts: budgeting, saving, and investing, and gradually expand your understanding. Over time, this education will build your confidence and help you take calculated steps toward financial growth. Don't be afraid to start small. Learning the fundamentals of investing, for example, will open doors to bigger financial opportunities. Taking action with the knowledge you acquire will accelerate your path to financial freedom. The more informed you become, the more strategic your wealth-building efforts will be. One of the biggest obstacles to attracting wealth is the limiting beliefs we hold about money. Many of us are raised with the notion that money is hard to come by, or that it's something to be feared. In order to break free from these beliefs, you must consciously release them. Start by identifying any negative thoughts you have about money. Do you believe you're not deserving of wealth? Do you see money as something scarce? Challenge these beliefs with affirmations like, "I deserve financial abundance," and "Money flows easily to me." Replacing these limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts will open up new possibilities for financial growth. As you work through these limiting beliefs, remind yourself that wealth is not just for a select few. It's available to everyone who is ready to receive it. Changing your beliefs about money will shift your reality and allow wealth to flow freely into your life. One powerful way to build wealth is by diversifying your sources of income. Relying solely on a paycheck can limit your financial freedom. Look for opportunities to create additional streams of income, whether it's through side businesses, freelance work, investments, or passive income sources like dividends or royalties. Start by identifying your skills or passions that can be monetized. The goal is to have more than one way money enters your life, creating a safety net and increasing your financial stability. Multiple income streams not only help you build wealth faster, but also reduce financial stress because you're not reliant on a single source. The key is consistency and patience. Over time, multiple streams of income can add up and provide significant financial freedom. The final step in attracting wealth is simply trusting the process. Understand that building financial freedom is a journey. It takes time, effort, and resilience. There will be moments when things don't seem to move as quickly as you'd like, but don't lose faith. Trust that every small step you take is getting you closer to your financial goals. When you trust the process, you're giving yourself permission to relax and allow wealth to flow naturally. Instead of stressing over every small detail, focus on the bigger picture. Continue to follow the steps, stay disciplined, and believe that the universe is aligning to bring your financial desires into reality. Wealth building is not about rushing or forcing things. It's about consistency, focus, and trust. Attracting wealth is a blend of mindset, gratitude, clarity, positive influences, and consistent actions. By following these steps, you're actively shaping a life that welcomes financial abundance and stability. If you found value in these steps, I encourage you to share this video and subscribe for more content on creating a prosperous life. Let's continue to cultivate wealth, peace, and freedom together.